Hello, Mr. Rubin. This is the video where I'm explaining and demonstrating some of the stuff I've done with the project, and this video is for Module 7 Project Benchmark. So let me go ahead and pull this up. I've done a couple of things since last benchmark. Firstly, I've added this item class, I've added this entity class, sorry, that item extends from, and location also extends entity. And I did this to fulfill the requirement of inheritance. So all entity is just a named object, and it has getters and mutator functions for the named object, and that's all. So it does seem a little redundant, but it does help get rid of the mutator functions or methods that I had within location and item. So got rid of a little bit of redundancy. Another thing that I did was a lot of refactoring. So I mentioned last time that I created this utility class with methods for displaying J-option panes and validating that input. So every single time I was displaying an option pane in other places in the program, I was doing this validate input over and over and over again. But now, for example, if I come to inventory, scroll down a little bit to export data, or actually, yeah, import data. Here we go. This is a better example. It's condensed down to this single line here, whereas before it was maybe like this many lines. So yeah, just consolidating code into a single method here that I'm using in the utility class. And I did this all throughout the program, and it really shortened the amount of stuff that I was doing. I also did a little bit of other types of refactoring as well, just generally checking over every single method one by one to make sure. This took me about 2 hours, but it's all refactored now. So yeah, that's about it. A couple of other minor changes I made was, if I go ahead and import some data, so test data, you can see here the way it displays the format is a little different. It's just less redundant, a little more clean looking. I really like it. So yeah, just general bug fixes. I went through and tested each button, found a couple of bugs, squashed them. So yeah, the project's pretty much done now. I just need to go and make the requirements sheet filled out fully, and then I'll submit. So yeah, that's been Module 7 Project Benchmark.